Hello, in this video I want to show you how to place books inside Chiseled Bookshelf in Minecraft. And to do this you'll need to get either books or enchanted books. You can also place a chiseled bookshelf, and I shown you in my previous video on how to craft it. Now let's take enchanted book and simply point it at the empty space in a bookshelf and right click on it. Here you can see that it's placed, and you can do this until the space on a bookshelf is filled. And now to take them back, simply right click on the book when pointing on it, and they go back to your inventory. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.